Dr. Rachel, I can't hide it anymore. I think it's time I told you how I feel about you.
Wow! The medical field is so exciting. The action, the drama.
Nurse Winnie to emergency.
No,
Dr. Winnie to brain sir.
no.
Chief of Staff Winnie to the OR. Stat.
I'm gonna find out about a career in medicine today.
Huh?
Hi! I want to work here. It's Winnie Woodpecker, and I'd like to become...
That's fine. Lab will run a few tests. All right, listen up. This is a precise scientific instrument designed for only one purpose. Of course, I wouldn't expect a layman to understand.
Why, no, sir. How could a layman be expected to know about a linear instrument designed to test the effect of the...
All right, then, let's get started. Huh?
Oh, doctor! My first medical emergency! Test complete, Doc. Am I ready to work in the ER?
Let's move on to another test, shall we? This test will measure your brain activity and IQ.
Ready for... a lot.
What is the... Is this giving you the answers? Give me that. Now, ask me a question. Go ahead, ask me.
What does that lever do?
This lever...
Doctor, this will be perfect training if I decide to go into the physical therapy department.
Just keep running.
What did you say?
Oh.
Doctor! Oh, no. What would they do on Woodpeck ER? As I always say, when in doubt, improvise. That's inflation for ya. Yes, another medical miracle performed by Winnie Woodpecker. Ooh, when can I use these, Doctor?
Finished medical school. Huh?
I'm ready for my close-up, Doctor.
Eye exam. That's it. Please read the top line.
You.
No, you read it.
Why? Okay. Oh, no, Doctor. I'm allergic to cats.
There's no cat here. It's just what it's called. A CAT scan.
But I sneeze, swell up, and itch all over.
Look, CAT stands for Computer Axial Tomography. There is no feline in this machine. I'll prove it to you.
Doctor, now that you see I can handle any emergency situation, what department will I be working in? Emergency room? ER? Recovery? Operating theater? Whatever we do had better be in a hurry. After all, my time is valuable and,
Nothing! Nowhere! I want you out of this hospital!
Well, I'm not so sure I even want to work in a hospital that has the likes of you on the staff. Harsh words, but a doctor has to assert herself. I'm going all the way to the top, Doctor.
Hater!
Not well enough to leave our Woodpecker. Meet Nurse Winnie in the OR. Hello, Nurse Winnie. Who's your friend? He doesn't look well. Right this way, Daddy boy. In order to work in a hospital, you've got to have patience. Hi, Woody. Your big screen TV is gone. Yep, I sold it. So I could do something fun and exciting with the money. Well, flying lessons for one thing. Flying lessons with wings, Banderhausen a dreamy foreign pilot for another. See you, Woody. Follow the arrows to new location. Oh, my. Ew. Wings? Wings, Banderhausen, Hosenflausen?
I'm all that.
Oh, my.
I am wings, Banderhausen, Hosen, Flausen. But of course...
I want to learn to fly.
Oh, you want to fly. Isn't that modern of you?
Wait, you'll see. I'm a very quick study.
Well then, quickly study my instructional home video. It's best viewed on, say, a large screen TV.
I'm more of a hands-on kind of girl. No, Pat. I'd like to solve the puzzle. Now that you have survived the G-forces.
Why don't you just go home?
More like flying disgrace. All right, Woody. I'm going to call your bluff. I'm gonna make you earn your wings or fly try. I'm ready for my first flight, Mr. Vanderhausen Hosenflausen. Is this the right button? Winnie, what are you doing? Why, I'm flying. I'm flying. Help! Hold up, is this the brake? I'm coming. Okay, how hard can this be? Perhaps harder than I first suspected. Uh-oh. When in doubt, improvise. Phew. Bubble gum. That was exciting, wasn't it? Almost all along. Oh, you gotta admit it was more exciting than sitting at home. Please? No way, Woody. We're using it next Saturday for shark cage diving.
Oh, a day of beauty.
Hello, I'm Leroy.
Well, I sure could use the help. I'm swamped.
How about me and Peachy going first?
Is there any way you could squeeze me in first?
No, me.
Please, Winnie.
You're hired. You just let me know if you need anything. Follow me, ladies. We'll get you washed first.
My hair must be handled with great care.
I want Peachy's hair the same as mine.
I need a shampoo.
Is everything all right? Oh, yes. It's just fine. You just relax now.
May I look in the mirror?
Can I have a look too?
My goodness, what's happened?
She made me go bald!
Well, you obviously have no experience in the hair business.
What happened? Now I've lost all my best customers. I just don't understand how this happened. I didn't do anything differently today. So that's what it was. He's no hairdresser. He's a hair undresser. If you want to make it in the hair business, you gotta know how to cut it. This buzzard's gonna get what's coming to him. Ladies, wait! I can explain your hair. It wasn't my fault. It was that phony buzzard Leroy. There's the culprit. Caught in the act. be okay?
Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray! Hip, hip, hooray!
Egypt is so fascinating. Oh, if I were an archaeologist, I'll bet I could find that lost tomb and become world famous. Oh, my last quarter.
To help me, What are you doing? What kind of expert are you? I've spent 5 long years of painful digging here.
5 years? No wonder. Look at the tools you've been using. Oh, and look, how do you expect to pick up all this sand? You've got this vacuum on reverse. Vacuums are for cleaning. Oh, I just knew where to dig. Ooh, look, Professor. Is he the court jester?
Yeah, easy.
I asked you first. Who is he?
No, easy.
That's what I'm asking you. Is he the court jester?
He's the court jester. Easy.
Yeah, is he? What's up with that?
Exactly! Easy, what's up with that? Yeepers.
I don't have time for this. I must explore the tomb.
Ooh, exploration of a tomb.
This is my expedition. I lead the way, and what I find is all mine. Okay? Okay.
Professor, be careful. It's common knowledge that pyramids are booby-trapped. And don't forget about the laughing curse. Professor? Professor, is everything all right? Oh, how exciting! A chance to decipher real hieroglyphics. From ancient times on, every picture has told a story. A court jester would know all kinds of jokes. Let's see. Why did the chicken cross the road? To get to the other side. Wow. Or maybe the treasure is this way. Or maybe it goes up. No. Wait a minute. Push for treasure. Oh my. It must be in there. I found the treasure!
It's mine. It's finally mine.
Here it is, my first day as an archaeologist, and I found all this.
First day? No. This is my life's work. My archaeological goal. The treasure of Easy What's Up With That is mine.
Yep, you're right to call this in. The guy is a wacko.
He must have caught the laughing curse. I tried to warn him. Oh, being an actor must be so exciting. Thank you to all the little people who made this award possible. My only regret is I've never had a chance to work in a really big movie.
Say, fans, how would you like a chance to work in a really big movie directed by Swedish?
Ow!
Extras are needed in Hollywood today.
I'm ready for my close-up, Mr. Walrus. Hi, I'm Winnie Woodpecker, and I'm here for... Oops, sorry.
You just made the biggest splash I've ever seen in Hollywood. You've got that fresh girl-next-door quality that's big in this picture.
Oh, can you believe it, Mr. Walrus? I'm gonna be in your movie.
Job for you. Nina, the bridge was blown up, all kaplooey, by the bad guys. You're the helpless bystander.
Mr. Walrus, why can't the helpless bystander, me, just free herself and not be so helpless, like so? Then I could pull the brake and save myself.
The brake! The brake!
Now listen, you. Don't you do anything until you hear me say action.
Got it. On action?
Action.
right, action!
Are you going to call action? Like the Winnie Slofsky acting method says, when in doubt, improvise!
Spectacular! The best! Wouldn't change it! Walrus, give Winnie a line in the next scene.
Oh, my big break. Oh, thank you, sir.
You got something, kid.
That's me. Screams when the bad guy comes into town. What exactly should I scream?
Get down the street now!
Get down the street now! Like that?
You get down the street.
You get down the street. Oh, you get down the street. No, you get down the street. No, you get down the... Oh, what kind of movie heroine screams and runs away? Not Winnie of the Woodpecker, that's for sure. This town ain't big enough for the both of us, miss.
Winnie, that was the most exciting action sequence since Blow Up Everything You See in Manhattan.
Oh, thank you, Mr. Big. But, you know, I think what I really want to do is direct. See you in the Arctic. Take one. Nice work, everyone. That's a wrap.
My red-headed contact. There she goes.
Oh, but I do. Hurry, come with me.
Yeah, right. Fun time's over. Give me the case, boy brain.
Do as he says.
I'm supposed to give it to you.
It's not worth it. Give him the case. He's getting away. I've had the real case all along. Well, not exactly a decoy. This could be the start of a beautiful partnership. Seen it this month. I'll name you Winnie Mite. Position azimuth 30.1. Oh, I wish I could be an astronaut so I could see the stars up close. If found, return to the Toston Space Launch Center. Wow. This could be my ticket to ride.
Look at that. No, you're wrong. Nuclear...
Excuse me, I'm Winnie Woodpecker. Is this yours?
Ah! My medium monitor satellite! This is what protects Earth. This is...
Wow! Is that a giant blue...
We're doomed! Ah!
Perhaps I could...
Oh!
It couldn't hurt to just try this on.
Ah, my crew person! But I just called. Let's go!
But, Professor, I'm
I'll
not...
finish... Whoa! Wait! You're an amateur! I'm breaking out in hives! Oh, this itches! Oh, this is not good!
Get a grip, Professor! Now, there's 3 reasons why I can help. I'm a fast learner, I don't use up much oxygen, and I'm all you got, mister. So let's get to it!
Release me now!
Yes, sir!
No, I'm a...
Professor, there's 0 gravity!
Winnie, energize my jetpack!
Oh, this is my big opportunity to make one giant leap for all woodpeckers! Okay, maybe it's 3!
It'll pull me back to the shed!
Like that, Professor? Yikes! Just a second, Professor Snafu!
Listen carefully!
I'm all ears, Professor. Well, I mean, not literally. Of course I have hands and feet.
Now activate the robot arm!
Activating the robot arm! Sure looks easy. Working in space is harder than I ever imagined, Professor. Oh my goodness!
What? I can't see. Elvin.
It's the giant blue ice meteor!
Tractor beam? No. Death ray? No.
I've got everything under control, Professor. Well, maybe not everything.
I wanted to be remembered as the one who saved the Earth.
Oh, you won't be remembered for that, Professor. It's a giant ice swan. We need something big, something powerful to destroy that star fowl.
Winnie might. Position. Azimuth 30.1 at 12 degrees in Scorpio.
That's it!
But leaving? Where are you going?
Like I always say, Professor, when in doubt, improvise! Just this!
Only now for the other side of Earth!
Yep, Professor, and right into the path.
Professor, could you tell our viewers how you...
What Professor Quark means is that together we fired these lasers at the ice meteor and...
This just in, a collision course with Earth. A giant woodpecker.
Come on, Professor. We've got work to do.
Hello? No! Woodpecker's dangerous! I'm breaking out in hives. Again! Amateur!
That car chase had more twists than a mutated pretzel.
Being a detective would be so exciting.
Now you're taking... The clues tell me the real killer is someone with huge ears. And he's prone to drooling.
The perp was under my nose. You're taking the fall. A bell went off, and I knew there was no way this pooch was the pilferer. He's actually about a K2. Opened the door to a guy who looked like...
Pardon me, ma'am. Do you want a vacuum cleaner?
He was no slouch in the sweet talk department either. A vacuum? Sure, I have one, but it's in the shop.
Sorry to bother you, then.
Say, are you part of the neighborhood patrol program? Oh, I could help get the word out.
Leave it to the professionals, ma'am.
I was in the mood to return videos without rewinding them. Drink milk right out of the carton a day after the expiration date.
Oh!
It's Vincent. But Chandler's... Winnie P.I. was on the job. First thing I did was plaster the town with flyers. Be dizzy? Go to the other side of town. I'll whistle if I need backup. Now, to find out how this vacuum cleaner crook's mind worked. I told Chandler the best PIs always nose around the scene of the crime.
We're here to ask you about your stolen vacuum cleaner, ma'am.
Where were you on the night of...
I'll handle this, Red. Get a clue.
10-4, Chandler. I'm on it like gum on a side here to dust for prints. It's a dirty job, mostly because of the dirt.
Give me that. Go secure the crime scene.
My partner was feel pressure. We needed a break worse than an out-of-work orthopedic surgeon. I had what might be a clue. By the looks of things, the crook was either an enormous centipede with hundreds of feet or a man who walked with 2 shoes on. I decided his every move. What we had here was a sweet-toothed vacuum cleaner thief with size 8Ws. Huh? When revise. Oh, my! Chandler, speak to me! How many fingers do you see?
4.
What day is today?
3.
Where do you live?
10 Amp Street. Give me that.
So, with my partner out on the mend, I was left alone for a stakeout. I found the perfect bait. The TurboVac 200. The thief reverse. I need to commandeer this vehicle for the good of the neighborhood. A perfect match. And these crumbs are the ones from the kitchen. I better call for backup. Chandler, I got our thief! He has big footprints like yours. He was wearing a ski mask, and he lives at 10 Amp Street like you. Chandler!
I wasn't at your house for any neighborhood patrol. I was casing your joint, Red, to steal your vacuum.
But the neighborhood neighborhood patrol posters.
I was taking them down. But you got some cockamamie idea. I was the law.
Who are you? If you steal all the vacuums in town, business will skyrocket.
But then you had to stick your nosy beak into things.
I want you to know, mister, whatever you're thinking, you can just forget, 'cause you're taking the fall. Now, this Chandler character was slicker than the shine on a freshly licked lollipop. But we stuck to the case like glue and got our man. The streets were safe once more for vacuum cleaners everywhere. Winnie P.I. and Deputy Dizzy were on the job.
Now for the highlight of our tour, ladies and gentlemen.
Wow, it's the famous Peckingham Castle. The Royal Kitchen. It's been my lifelong dream to be the Queen's royal chef. Yes, Your Majesty. Cream puffs and eclairs flambé. I can whip those up right away. Oh, my. I am so sorry.
Is that the way for a royal cooking assistant to behave?
Royal cooking assistant?
No, it is not. It's Wally Walrus, the Queen's new royal chef from Sweden. This my first day here, and I got to make my famous Swedish taffy for Her Highness in less than 1 hour. You will assist the great Chef Wally, yeah?
Wow, if I can prove to Chef Wally that I'm a good cook, I could become a real royal chef.
Now, Woodpecker, work, work, work!
All cooking utensils present and accounted for, sir.
Out of my way, and check the taffy's taffiness.
Check the taffy's taffiness? Aye, aye, sir. Oh! Oh, no! What lever do I use? Down! Right!
For the tummy,
I guess down was wrong. No, Chef Wally, please. Just let me cook something and you'll see that I'm a real kitchen magician.
No way, Houdini. You'll do your magic on these. Grease them all in 5 minutes or you're fired.
How am I going to grease all these pans that fast? The dishwasher. Like I always say, when in doubt, improvise. This butter should do the trick. No butter? How did that happen? Uh-oh. Good as new.
Hey!
All done.
Woodpecker, finish the taffy. If you mess up, I'll see the only place you cook is in the royal dungeon. Everything happens to Wally.
The recipe's all in Swedish. Oh, here goes nothing. I'll add some honey. And maybe a dash of this, a pinch of that. Yeah, I'm all over this dessert. You bet. Oh, maybe I used a little too much of this and that, or that and the other.
Look at what you did to my famous taffy.
Oh, my.
Who is
Oh, well, Your Majesty, this one right here, my assistant, she is responsible for everything. She did it all. That's right. You're fired.
fired? Why, I'm promoting her. Winnie, you are my new royal chef. Yeah, I love this. And Wally, you're the assistant.
I'll be the world's greatest royal chef.
No, no! I am the greatest chef in the world, not her! You'll do this feeding.
Oh, don't be too hard on him, Your Highness. He means well. He's just a little stuck on himself.
Oh, how droll. Very amusing.
Oh, thank you, Highness. Hi, Winnie here. Oh, Jeannie. Today's paper? Yes, it's right. Oh, my. High Society Ball tonight. Upper Crust begs the question, who will be the new It Girl? The brightest star of the new High Society season, the new toast of the town. What do you mean I can't be the new It Girl? Oh, yeah? Well, I'm gonna prove it. Except I don't know a thing about High Society. Wally's Swedish Finishing School. High Society, here I come! This is where I start my social climb. Oh!
That's it for sure.
You really think I've got it?
Such boys, you could become...
Well, what are we waiting for?
to speak properly if you want to be part of high society.
Uh-huh. Jumping Jiminy. Why, your jewels look just lovely.
No. Jumping Jiminy, why...
Jumping Jiminy. Why, your jewels look just lovely. Are you sure this is how you speak at a high society ball?
Now say the sentence like all my high society friends would say it.
Jumping Jiminy. Why, your jewels look just lovely.
Yeah, you've almost got it. Just lilt in your voice.
Yep, why, your jewels is lovely.
For sure, yeah. First impressions are everything in high society. You must walk with purpose, dignity, and grace. Like so. People will know you are a refined member of the upper crust. Yeah, sure. All with a little practice on Wally's tire training system. Go now, walk through the tires.
Like this?
Yoinky doinky, arms in, perfect waddle. You're sure to be a star when you walk into any room like that. Table manners make or break you in high society. No, my dear. You must do as everyone does at all the biggest parties. Watch closely.
Wait a minute. You're trying to tell me this is how they'll eat at the high society ball tonight?
Oh, yeah, you bet. With this last bit of training complete, you're sure to be the belle of the ball. Now you try. Congratulations. You are my star. Now go party with all your...
Here it goes. Jumping Jiminy. Why, your jewels look just love. Who will be the new It Girl this year? Do you think, eh? Was it my posture? Or your something I said? What did I do wrong? I did everything Wally said to.
Chin down, arms in, and waddle those hips, you bet. Ladies and gentlemen, The Walrus High Society Ball has found its new It Girl.
Hello, Jeannie. Look at your paper. You won't believe it.
Now, Winnie, let's hear your story first.
Well, Your Honor, I wanted to buy a nice little red car, so I went to this
Knock, knock, knock. Excuse me. Excuse me! I'd, like to buy a car, sir.
A customer? Why didn't you say so? What kind of car you looking for? We got sports cars, sedans, and luxury cars. We got cars that'll take you from point A to point B.
I have a question. I don't see any cars. Are you pulling my leg?
What do you think?
Well, I was kind of hoping for a car with wheels. Well, most cars I've seen have wheels.
There you go. Drive it right off the lot.
I'd like to, but it doesn't have a steering wheel.
Get the lady a steering wheel. There you go. Practical yet playful.
It doesn't look very safe.
Now you have safety belts.
Well, as long as we're on the subject, there's a few other things we'll need, like seats, fenders, bumpers, turn signals, door handles. Well, last I heard, a car needed an engine to run.
Hop in. Let's take it for a test drive. Wind in your hair, sun on your backside. Oh, it doesn't get any better than this. Hey, you want to give it a whirl?
And that's the whole truth, with sugar and spice and everything nice.
Objection, Your Honor. We're trying to sell her.
I'd like to buy a car.
Why, this is our finest automotive deal, ma'am. A mere $10,000. But
Then when it makes the last payment, I'll come pick it up.
whatever you can't afford, I'll gladly pay for.
I want a red four-door.
I'm determined to get you in a car. Heck, I'll give you one if I have to. I just want to make you happy.
Let's take it for a spin.
Wait! Far be it from me to criticize, but fast.
You're right, Mr. Buzzard.
Wait, Your Honor, no!
You're out of order, Winnie.
This is wrong. That buzzard is more crooked than a bad boxer's nose. Oh, I am I?
Yes, you am.
Well, speaking of hoods, what kind of car do you drive, ma'am? And in fact, doesn't your license plate read, I'm the judge? And isn't your car blue, Your Honor? Just like this one?
Theft ring, here's your reward money.
Your Honor.
Why, yes.
Well, here you go then. Case closed. Honestly, Woody, that's the last time I come over for Christmas dinner. My first day in business. It's so exciting being a restaurateur.
Why, howdy and...
First customer. Whoops, be right back. Winnie's Big City Bistro. Hi, Betty. What? The famous culinary critic is coming here? Today? An inside tip? Uh-huh. Always comes in disguise, but uses double initials when placing a reservation. Volley Walrus? Betty, double initials. It's the critic. Fame and fortune, here I come. Mr. Volley Walrus, what a pleasure.
I want the best food, with no salt. I am tired, and I also want a window seat, with clean window.
One window seat with clean window and hold the salt. Coming right up. Sway,
Mr. Walrus, to a wonderful seat and a perfect view. I'll be back. How do you like Winnie's Big City Bistro so far?
Look at this stain. I can't eat here.
Oh, no, please wait. At Winnie's Big City Bistro, the customer is always right. I'll be right back with appetizers. Oh, my goodness.
Oh, waitress.
Coming! Our appetizer of the day, sea salted calamari.
I said no.
Excuse me.
Gee, I guess if it's on you, then it's on us. Oh, calamari all over one customer, salt in the critic's food.
Ma'am, I'm ready to order. Pasta. And an extra serving of garlic bread.
I'm the only person in this restaurant. Have a seat and I'll be right with you. For the most discriminating appetite. Of course, sir.
Oh, ma'am.
Here. Oh, no. The lobster at Winnie's Big City Bistro is fresher than anywhere else in town. So, what do you think?
Miss, can I have some soup, please?
One soup for you.
Waitress.
Coming!
Oh, ma'am.
What? You got it. How was your lobster?
What else have you got that's good?
Whoa.
Try this and this.
Well, if that's all you have, then I'll be going.
Wait, Mr. Walrus. You haven't tasted, my soup. You're done, dearie.
Hey!
Oh, no. Everything is ruined. Help! This is the Big City Bistro. I've blown up the culinary critic.
What are you talking about? I'm the culinary critic. I wore this disguise so I could get impartial service.
You're the critic? Oh, my gosh. I'm so sorry for the way I've treated you.
Where's the fire?
In my eyes, that's where. I'll give you water, you no good. If there's anything I can do to make this up to you, free dessert. Your own special reserved table. The truth is, I was just working as hard as I could for a good review. What?
This place is amazing. It has all the hustle, the bustle, and the pesky patrons of the best big city restaurants.
You liked it?
The atmosphere was authentic. I can see the review now. Culinary critic raves. Winnie's Big City Bistro is perfect for people wanting a taste of the big city in their own backyard. Customers will be lining around the block. Newsflash, everybody. It's romantic.
Daddy, you're not going to believe what happened. I'm a hit. Let's see. I want a job someplace fun with good things to eat and nice people to work with. Daddy! Help wanted. This seems like a fun place to work.
You want a job?
Ever
been a car hop?
No,
Know how to skate?
not really.
Close enough, you're hired. Meanie, we've been getting swamped every night at dinner rush. I'm putting you in charge of training,
Winnie Woodpecker.
Gotta run, I got a truck of lard waiting on the docks.
Hi, welcome to Gecko Pacheco's.
Why, thank...
Let's get one thing straight, Missy. I've been the car hop here for 22 years. You're not just gonna sweep in here and take over my territory. Now,
Skinny skates. They'll get you every time.
hey, Woodpecker Wheels. Ah. This is a pronto delivery to car 27. Don't just stand there. You're a meal on wheels. It's triple your order hour, meaning triple the work for you, Woodpecker.
Isn't someone else who works here going to help with this rush?
No! Ah, that's a good one. No!
on skates. Hey! I can handle my job and hers. 7, car number 8, car number 9, car number 10, and I'll take my break now.
Thought I was here, Bud.
Is someone gonna take my
They're spread all over. Don't get your shorts in a bunch. Everyone will be served in the order they arrive. Somehow. Beanie, you gotta tag team with me. This is how you want to play it? Fine by me. Watch and learn. 15, 62, 39, 12, 82.
What's going on here?
She's insane.
Stop! Meanie, your behavior. I have no choice but to fire you.
I'll do anything.
Sir.
Why, even though nothing will ever replace my statue, if she'll agree.
It's 3 for Thursday. 3 meals for the price of 1. All right. Keep up the good work, Meanie. Ha! Uncle Woody, Uncle Woody! Come on, Splinter. Let's get our Santa sighting webcast set up. Next time, a pinch less Woodpecker. You two better behave tonight, or I'll tell my friend Santa to leave nothing but coal in your stockings. You can't do that. Whoa, wait. Back up a second. Sure you are, Woody. And monkeys Christmas at all tonight. Or ever. I saved Christmas. Oh, hi, Wally. Maybe you can settle an argument. The first year Woody came to the neighborhood, who saved Christmas? Everybody, look! Not always. Watch. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Chorus. Fa la 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 la. Today's the big 3-way water race down at the beach. Will you be my coach?
Been doing, Winnie. Sounds like way too much work.
I've been practicing all 3 of the big events. Swimming. So, what do you say now, Coach?
Not interested.
Did I mention the prize? The winners get a 2-week tropical vacation on board the biggest party yacht in the world.
Winnie, hop two, hop two, hop two.
Welcome to the Big Beach Extravaganza, the thrilling ocean event that combines swimming, diving, and surfing, where the winner will claim the first of 3 flags.
Didn't sound so tough to me.
That's probably because I'm the one swimming.
Good luck.
Get set, and go!
Hey, what'd you stop for?
That no-good buzzard hoodwinked us.
So long, suckers!
Let's teach those bottom feeders a lesson.
More than a rope trick to beat us, mister.
Cheaters never prosper. Oh, no!
Oh, boss, are you sure?
And dive!
Dive, Winnie, dive!
You again? Looks like you guys could use a hand.
In a shocking turn of...
Winnie, you do the surfing, I'll watch the cheating.
These woodpeckers aren't getting turnpiked. No way.
There.
Shark! Shark!
Way to go, Winnie.
And the winners, Winnie and Woody!
Oh, we did it! Who wouldn't call this paradise, huh, Woody?
only a pair of dimwits, Winnie.
Hi, Woody. Who'd you up to? You know, you spend far too much time glued to that TV. Well, I'm taking you away from here, someplace where there are no TVs. Let's go, Woody! Wow, what a great idea, Woody! Where'd you hear about this quaint old place?
Winnie, not a TV in the joint. You check in, I'll park.
Ghost! Stop it right now, Woody! You're not funny!
Yeah, Winnie, on second thought, maybe we ought to go somewhere else.
Oh, don't be ridiculous! I like this old place. We're staying the night. Quiet, Woody. I'm reading. Your scare routines are stale, Woody. I need some fresh air.
Are you all right, Winnie?
I'd be better if you weren't spoiling everything with your cheap horror theatrics.
Winnie, there's something I gotta tell you. This place is really haunted!
Nonsense! You just want us to go back home so you can watch TV. Well, nothing doing. Stop trying to scare me, Woody! So, you're sneaking around, huh, Woody?
Now you ready to get out?
Wait, if you're here, who was that? Real ghosts go through doors without destroying them, Woody. And they don't wear fright masks.
You're right. Come on.
A TV show, Woody? This was all about being on a dumb TV show?
Yeah, but we spent the whole night in Burnberry Castle, so we just won the mega prize package, Winnie. Sun's coming up, boys. Time to pay up.
Woohoo!
Hot diggity.
What did we win, Woody? You've won a free 2-week stay at Burnberry Castle?
Forget it, Winnie. We're out of here.
We can still have a vacation with this cash prize money.
Let's go. Someplace there's no TVs but sun and no castles. Just warm beaches and no ghosts. Nothing but surf, I tell ya. Yeah, Bora Bora, here we come.